Hey, I'm Darren, a teacher with Scorelifters. Today we're going to look at a huge technique you can apply to the SAT reading section. So those passages are long and can be totally overwhelming with the time pressure, but I've got good news that we can make them more manageable. The beauty of the SAT is that many of the questions refer to specific line numbers, and the questions generally come in order from the beginning of the passage to the end. So here's what we can do. We can split the passage into two halves. We'll read the first half and answer any questions that refer to the lines in that half. You don't need to know anything about the second half to answer those questions. And we'll hold off on any questions that ask about the passage as a whole. Suddenly, we've made it more manageable. After answering the questions about the first half, we'll read the second half and finish out the questions. We call that divide and conquer. Click here to see that approach in action. And don't forget to subscribe.